Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to an interesting restaurant called Zauo's Fishing Restaurant. I think I pronounced that right. This is a restaurant where you can go fishing for your dinner and cook it literally minutes after you catch it. And you don't get more fresh than that. So come with us today and we'll see what this restaurant's all about. Just look at how open all this land is. And the architecture here is just magnificent. You wouldn't get anything like this in Perth. Let's enjoy fishing. That's been hard to do lately. I've been on a bit of a fishing drought lately in Perth, so yeah, let's see if we can break this drought today. That's what we're talking about. This place is so cool. Wow. Yeah. We're on a boat. We're on a boat, guys. Literally. And we've got these mats, and we're gonna do just this. We're gonna enjoy some fishing today. These look like tiny snapper. I might be wrong. They're good size, and there's a big stingray over there. I hope I don't catch him. So when they catch a fish, they beat the drum, which we just missed, but it was really cool. Okay guys, we've got our bait, we've got our hook, and we've got our rods, and let's get into this. Yeah, just put it down.
What are we catching then?
Look, he's coming, he's gonna get it. Put it down.
What are we catching?
Brim, sea brim. Oh,
sorry.
Move. Sorry.
One way to fish.
Yeah. I don't think they're hungry. Oh, she caught one. Might have better luck over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a luck with it.
So I put mine back in, I just lost. I'm gonna try foul hook it.
Right, I give up.
You give up, really? Okay.
One debt to society later.
We haven't had much luck catching fish, so we have to resort to foul hooking them, which isn't, to be honest, not too happy with. Two. I recommend these. It's good fish. There's the price tag for you.
Why not?
Yeah.
You go first.
Okay. Oh, quick. Put it in. Up. There we go. Oh, sugar. Let it go, let it go, let it go. I got it, I got it. Yay! Thank you.
Okay.
Awesome. Look at that. Oh, thank you. Deep, put it down deep. Go, go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, legend. Wow, well done.
I'm a real fisherman now.
Now he's a real fish. I don't know if this counts, but good on ya. Good on ya. Poor little flounders. So we've just caught our fish, as you saw. Had to foul hook it, guys. So, you know, I don't really condone that as a fisherman, but look, it's just part of the deal here, I guess. So our food's come. I've got mine grilled with salt and sashimi, which should be nice. And Josh's looks amazing. Fish and chips. Why haven't I ordered that? Damn.
Looks succulent. Looks succulent indeed.
Looks succulent. That looks amazing.
That look really good.
We're gonna try our meals here, and we'll give you guys a review. It's actually seared sashimi. Alright, there we go. Surprisingly good. You want to try a bit? It's cooked. It's cooked. It actually tastes pretty good. Alright, just put it straight in your mouth. Good? You like it? He kind of likes it. Not bad. It's not bad. This looks nice. A fork would be good, bro. I think it's got bone in it. That's the only complaint.
Mine doesn't have bone in it.
Mine's got bones. That's really good. We've given you a good taste test. I'm going to finish this and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So the meal was good. Honestly, taste-wise, it was a solid 10 out of 10. The experience overall, look, it's not fishing as you know fishing. You're pretty much fishing in a barrel. But it's for tourists. So, you know, they've got to make it somewhat enjoyable or guarantee that you're going to catch something. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just going to do a little walk around Osaka. And yeah, feel free to stay if you want. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. It's a running cow. Down like chug it in. I'm not having it.
It's supposed to be Running Man. I don't know what happened to it.